ECWID Dropshipping with AliExpress step by step. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to process a dropshipping using the ECWID platform here on this video. So just to inform you, dropshipping allows online store owners to sell products without holding inventory by automatically forwarding orders to a third-party supplier to fulfill the shipping directly to the customer. So first thing that you need to do here is to go to the website equid.com and you'll be routed into this page. For you to get started, you just need to click on the upper right corner and click on Get Started for free. Just need to wait for it to load up. This may take a few minutes. There, once fully loaded, what you'll need to do is that you will need to go to the left side panel of the screen, and then you'll need to go to Apps, and then go under App Markets. Before you do so, what you can do as well is check on the informations here, where it actually provides you a few tips on how to get started. You can browse on the informations here. It will definitely help you, especially when you're creating, or if it's your first time creating your own online store. Okay, once you are on the app market, this is the page that you will be seeing, where there are a lot of features and options here. So what you need to do is go to the search bar and type in dropshipping, or you can just choose dropshipping below it. Once you type in dropshipping, you will be provided with applications that will allow you to process dropshipping into your ECWID account. So you just need to click on this since it's for free. I'll choose sub dropshipping. When you click on it, you'll be routed into this page. You just need to click on Open App. You just need to wait until it will be fully loaded. It may take a few minutes. Okay, once you click on Open App, you will be routed into this page. This is under, this will be the sub dropshipping, where it has provided you the information about your online store here. So you can, this is where you will be able to track your sales and your profits as well. So what you need to do here to dropship a product, you need to go under Find Product. And there, if you'll scroll down, there will be a lot of information about the status of your order as well. So you just need to click on Find Product and go under Import Orders. Go to Find Products and go to Imported Orders here. Once you click on it, you will be routed into this page. Make sure that you will go to Find Product and not under Order. Once you will be routed into this page, this is a demo product. Once you are fully successful with dropshipping the product. So what you need to do next is go to aliexpress.com. This is where you will be looking for a product that you want to add into your dropshipping application. So you can browse to any product that you want, whether it could be women's fashion, gadgets, jewelry, shoes, toys, for beauty, hair, automotives, anything that you want to add into your business or into your online store, you can choose it from here. So you can just scroll down and browse for any informations that you may like. Okay, you just need to choose the correct product. So for this, let me choose this keychain, or I can do this Crocs accessory, where what you need to do is on the address bar, you just need to copy the whole link. You just need to highlight everything and then Control C to copy, or just right click and then go to copy. And then what you'll need to do once you've copied the link or the URL, you need to go back to the self drop shipping page. Once you copy the link, you need to make sure that you have the correct link, since this is important for you to add the product into your ECWID account. Here, so what you need to do is that under imported products, you just need to paste the URL or the link on the space provided and then click on import product. Once you click on it, it will show the product here beside the demo. Here, and then you just need to wait until it will be fully loaded for this to be added into your sub drop shipping, and then it will be shown in your ECWID account after that. So this once done, you can just track the purchase or the product that you will be selling here for any item that you will import from AliExpress into your ECWID account here. So once completed, that's how you will be able to use the drop shipping feature on ECWID. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.